Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2016 Subaru WRX. It's a clean title, clean Carfax car. We purchased it out of California. It's got a bunch of modifications on it. We can finance it through Cuddle. I can put an extended warranty on it out until 100,000 miles. And we welcome trades. So, not typically in the WRX market. I don't know much about them. I do know that we like them. We like this because it's basically an STI. Without the insurance payment of an STI. I do have the hood open right now, so there's those lines don't match because I want to go over the engine bay, which I don't usually do on the video, but I'm going to do it here. So you've got an STI body kit, you've got forged wheels, you have Evil Eye, adjustable coilover suspension, you've got a Perrin STI wing, heavily tinted windows, rain guards, titanium exhaust, a bunch of Grimspeed stuff, really, really nice aftermarket tail lights. Cosmetically, it's super clean. I don't believe there's any of the curb rash on any of the wheels. It's been very well taken care of. A ton of car for the money. So the only thing cosmetically is it looks like they had a stripe on top of this that they removed, and we're not going to do anything about that. You could restripe it, or so that is the cosmetic disclosure. The rest of it is really clean. You can tell the aftermarket taillights. I don't remember the brand on those, but they were not cheap. Everything has been done right. If you're familiar with, so Perrin and Grimm are typical aftermarket components or parts on Subarus. So you can see the paint and body is really, really clean. I think we bought this out of California. It does have, I am probably going to drive it a little bit, so it's going to have a few more miles on it than it's got on it now. So you can see the front lip's in really good shape. Grimspeed logo there, and then underneath there's some minor chipping on the hood, but we've touched that up. So the other side of the hood is super clean, and then just cosmetic. So you can see the adjustable suspension there. If you're not familiar with those are just a twist and an untwist. So super clean, really well taken care of, well serviced. So the rear door, it is dark in here. You do have a heavy tint on this, but I mean it's really clean on the inside. There isn't basically anything. A little wear on the driver's side seat, and that's it. So there's your driver's side door. So a little wear here, but comparatively pretty minor. So carbon fiber interior trim. You have an aftermarket head unit, which is nice. You can hear the exhaust. Not so subtle. So passenger side door is clean. Passenger side seat the same. You do have a shift kit, and then you can tell aftermarket stereo. You can see the dash is clean and in good shape. No service codes or lights or indicators. I'm going to close the sunroof. Try and close this. Yeah, there we go. Just to keep the noise down, so I can complete the video, and then I'll open it up at the end. So this is clearly an aftermarket, super nice touchscreen interface. So you have a home button here, so a backup camera, and then your so it is Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, nav radio, Bluetooth, music. Maybe it's going to be a little slow in here because I'm inside of our building, and this is going to be Wi-Fi based. And wow, I'm glad. So stereo, calendar, settings, music, and Bluetooth. So nice, really nice stereo. Let's see if that'll up. No, that's going to be. Yeah, it's offline. So gauge up on the dash, everything else is straightforward. So you do have multi-function steering wheel, you have cruise on the right, source information, audio control, back button display control, cruise down below. I think everything, traction control, delete, power windows, mirrors and locks. Let's see, we do have books, and I've got one master key is all. Trying to think if there's anything else. So yeah, it sounds great. It's super clean. Yeah, it's been well taken care of. It is a clean title and a clean Carfax. That's not as uncommon on the WRX as it is on the STI, but still, nonetheless, clearly cosmetically and mechanically, it's been well cared for. If you would like additional information or have questions, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.